What is the prime factorization of 33? What the question is essentially asking us is to represent 33 as the product of prime numbers. So let's start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 33 is not an even number, so it's not divisible by 2. The next prime number is 3. 33 can be divided by 3, and then you get 11. Both 3 and 11 are prime numbers, so the prime factorization of 33 is 3 into 11. Now, moving on to the next question. What is the prime factorization of 32? 32 is an even number and so is divisible by 2. 32 is 2 into 16. So we can represent 32 as the product of a prime number 2 and a composite number 16. Now let's continue to break down the composite number. 16 is also divisible by 2, and so you can break it down into 2 into 8. Continuing the same process for 8, you can break 8 down into 2 into 4, and then break 4 down into 2 into 2. Now at this point we can stop the process since 2 is a prime number, and the prime factorization of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 32. Now let's try another question on prime factorization. In this case, for the number 81. Now 81 is not even and so is not divisible by 2. Moving on to the next smallest prime number, which is 3. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. So 81 is divisible by 3. So 81 can be represented as 3 into 27, which is the product of a prime and a composite number. Now, to continue the process, we need to break down the composite number, which in this case is 27. 27 too is divisible by 3, since 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. 27 can thus be represented as 3 into 9, of which 9 is a composite number. Now 9 can be broken down into 3 into 3, at which point we can stop the process since 3 is a prime number. So the prime factorization of 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Let's try another question on prime factorization. The prime factorization of 95 in this case. So 95 is odd, so it's not divisible by 2, which is the smallest prime number. 9 plus 5 is 14, which is not divisible by 3. So 95 is not divisible by 3 either. The next prime number would be 5, and since it ends with 5, 95 is divisible by 5. 95 can be represented as 5 into 19. Both 5 and 19 are prime numbers, so 95's prime factorization can be represented as 5 into 19.